Camera rolling, audio rolling. Everybody get set and action. Yo, what's up everybody? Back for another show. I hope all y'all feeling good and you're on your positive vibes. If not, get your thoughts together, get your mind right, push yourself, fight, and try to stay positive as much as possible, man. I promise you, it's gonna make this whole journey a lot easier. And on top of all of that, I really hope y'all been practicing on y'all end. Have y'all been practicing? Please tell me y'all been practicing. Please tell me they've been practicing. Just say you've been practicing. And if you haven't been practicing, start practicing right now, man. And before we get the show all the way started, we gotta take a quick pause to show some love to our sponsor for today's show, the whole entire crew over at Melanin Too Rich. Want to tell them thank you for sending over a shirt for us. And make sure y'all check them out right now, www.melanin2rich.com. And we also gotta send some quick love to the producer of the music track for today's show, Polonius Plug, aka P Plug. And we appreciate both of our sponsors dearly. Now, on today's show, it's just gonna be about some quick tips, y'all. And it's gonna be about some products that you need, some must-haves as a photographer, cinematographer, videographer, especially if you're somebody that's just getting started and you're trying to figure out what stuff you need to purchase. So for the first item we're gonna talk about today, guys, you're gonna probably buy a ton of these. Matter of fact, I know you're gonna buy a ton of these because I have a ton of them here in my library. Hard drives. Hard drive. You're gonna need one of these, guys. And like I said, you're probably gonna buy a plethora of them because you're gonna run out of space all the time, especially if you're doing a lot of photos, shooting in RAW, and if you're recording film, that stuff takes up a lot of space, guys. So hard drives, you need to buy them. And stop saving all your photos on your computer. If you're wondering why it's moving slow, your Photoshop or your Lightroom lagging around, or it take forever for your computer to turn on or shut down, you probably don't have that much space on there. Your computer doesn't have any room to breathe. Buy you an external hard drive. Whatever works for your pockets on your side, buy you one. But if you want to ask, hey Sean, what do you purchase? What do you have? Most of my hard drives are Western Digital. But recently, I tried out a brand new Samsung solid state drive T5. Oh man, I can't lie to y'all. It immediately became my favorite drive. The write and read speeds, they're through the roof on this. So when I'm working in programs like Adobe Premiere, Lightroom, Photoshop, Final Cut Pro, I don't really see that lag on my side when it's time to try to pull files away because this solid state drive from Samsung, they hit the mark on this one. Now let's get to our next product, Speedlights. Speedlights. You're gonna need a speed light. If you're doing photography inside at any venue, you might have to bounce light off somewhere. Gotta get you a speed light. And it doesn't matter which one that you get. If it works for your pockets, purchase what works for you, guys. If it's something bigger and better that you wanna get down the line, save up, make sure you're charging people for your shoots, and buy the bigger stuff. I have the Yongnuo flashes. I'll be brutally honest with you. I've tried the Canon 600, the new ones, and I still end up purchasing the Yongnuo 600EX. Why? I bought 3 for the price of what one Canon flash would cost. If you're trying to save money, probably gonna grab the Yongnuo. Let's get to the next item. SD cards. You know, you got SD cards, you got compact flash cards. You don't like the 1DX Mark II, you know you're purchasing a CFast cards and other higher end cameras. A lot of you guys out there, if you're starting off, you're probably gonna be using the SD card. With these SD cards, I promise you, you'll never have enough of them, guys. I have like 2 or 3 of these cases from Pelican. They hold the cards really well. And you don't have to worry about them falling out. See? Don't put them in your pocket. Don't stick them on the side of your camera bag. Don't put them in the back of your book bag and try to remember where they are, because if you're shooting something really important and you lose that card, you're in trouble. And you don't want that headache. Trust me. We've all been there before. Put them in cases. Make sure you're formatting them. Oh, that's super important. You should be formatting your stuff before you shoot every time, when you're shooting photos and when you're filming. Format your cards first, guys. I didn't always used to do it. I used to have like a 64 gig and a 128 gig, and I would shoot on it for a whole month because it had so much space on it. But you gotta be careful. These cards are still part of this whole world of technology, and stuff fails, and you need to try to cleanse them as much as possible. So make sure that you format before every shoot and before every filming session, just to try to not run into that brick wall, okay? Let's get to the next item. I always think about the little thing that you clean the baby nose with. I don't know why it made me think of that. This is a blower, guys. You're inside today, you're outside tomorrow, you're at the beach today, you're taking the lenses on and off. You gotta be careful, guys. Get you some blowers. Sometimes you get sand in the camera, and you probably need to be doing it on a regular basis. All right, guys, so the last thing we're gonna touch on today so I can get out of y'all ear and y'all face and y'all can enjoy the rest of y'all weekend. Batteries. Batteries. Buy batteries and then buy some more batteries. And then after you finish buying that second set of batteries, buy a third set of batteries. Any cinematographer, videographer, or photographer will tell you you can never have enough batteries. Buy a lot of batteries. All right, guys, so that's it for today's quick tips, and I hope they help somebody out there that's trying to get that bag of goodies together for your photo and video equipment. If y'all got some questions, comments, or concerns, you know the comments are wide open. And also, I'm gonna drop a link below for everything that I touched on today, just in case one of you guys wanna go check out some of those links and make a few purchases. And before I leave, guys, make sure you hit that thumbs up symbol if you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to the video, and make sure you hit that bell so you get those notifications to your email every time I'm uploading a new episode. All right, y'all be easy on y'all side. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Stay on those positive vibes, and most of all, make sure you practicing. I'll see y'all next show. I'm gone.